From as early as midday Tuesday, persons in the corporate area and other parts of the island tried to make their way home. Some faced lengthy delays, however, as a result of the heavy rainfall. As we moved through the capital, motorists tried to brave the waters. Some made it through, but others weren't so lucky. Heavy winds brought on by Tropical Storm Grace brought down this tree here along Mullines Road in St. Andrew. We're being told it happened sometime after 2 p.m., restricting vehicular access. Now, it's still not clear how long it will take for the authorities to clear this road. Off Old Hope Road, a downed utility pole. Some risked it, others simply made a U-turn. We then journeyed to the often troubled Marcus Garvey Drive. The wind is gushing outside at God he knows what speed. We're currently along Marcus Garvey Drive, and it's an all too familiar scene here. The streets are flooded, and it's extremely difficult for motorists to maneuver the waters. Some did try to brave the waters, however, but they were unable to cross it. This was a section of Norbrook Drive at the back of Constant Spring Golf Club. So, flooded streets and major delays for some in the corporate area, but perhaps the full extent of the damage will only be known when the water subsides. Elsewhere in Kingston, many persons expressed alarm at the collapse of this wall in a newly built apartment complex in Seymour Lands in the Golden Triangle. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.